Hello once again, and we are back to do the next activity that we are going to do for Natalie, which is walking with nature. So again, we are here in Centennial Park to do this activity. The purpose of this activity is to promote mindfulness, reduce stress, and encourage physical activity through walking with nature. So we're going to start the walking now. How's the weather? How do you feel the
It's
weather?
cold, but it's bearable.
Okay. So it's really nice to walk at this time.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll start walking. Wow, the weather is really nice to do walking
Parang mas bet ko yung nandito
this side.
because the sun is hitting me.
Yeah. So it blends the sun and the wind. Ooh, cute little dogs. You're still okay, Natalie? You're still okay?
Tapos ate, paano pag
Ooh. Nice. Left side. Yes. And we are going back to the starting point. How are you feeling? Tired? Tired? Can you still make it to the starting point?
I will try my best.
And we are done with our walking with nature activity. So how does this activity help you physically and mentally, Natalie?
It lessens my stress, my thinking, Like,
It's good. Which,
yeah, so-
that's our aim in doing this, right?
yeah.
Okay.
So it made me relax.
That's good to hear.
Walking.
Okay. And are you going to do this as well as one of your leisure activities in the future?
For sure, yes.
That's good to hear. And there you go. Thank you.